Hi, so today I'm going to show you an exercise to help the triple warmers. The triple warmers in Chinese medicine are 3 containers that hold the organs and balance out the heat within the body. They have a lot of other things that they do as well, like they work with the lungs to help support the fields of energy around you. But I want to focus on how we can best support them and bring more energy and balance into each one of them. So to do that, we're going to work with the healing sound. And the sound is he, like the pronoun for a man. He, like the beginning of the word heat. So we're going to do that as a descending sound. Almost like hissing it out. And that's to balance the heat, bring all the extra heat that's in the body and place it in what we call the danchen, which is your reservoir at the navel. So we're going to fill that up, and we're going to work with 6 directions to do that. 6 directions of our arm work here. So bring your hands down by your sides, get a nice upright posture. I'm going to invite you to take a breath in and lift your arms to the side. Exhale, we're going to turn to the left, and we're going to let our hands, one hand go behind you, one hand come in front. Inhale, let the hands come up as you turn your torso back to the front. And now we're going to make the sound as we exhale. Good, and breathing in, lift the arms. Now we're going to do the other side. Exhale, one hand comes forward towards the screen, other hand goes behind you. Inhale, lift, and turn, make the sound. Good. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, turn the torso. Keep the feet on the floor. Inhale, lift, and turn the torso back forward. Exhale the sound to bounce out the triple warmers. Good. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, lift, turn the torso back. Exhale. Good. One more to each side. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, release. Good. And one more. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Turn back forward. Exhale. Bring your hands to the navel. Let that heat settle there. All the extra energy. Balancing out those 3 areas of the chest, abdomen, and pelvis. And let's lock that in with 3 rotations in one direction, 3 more in the opposite. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.